Hello and welcome to Direct Order powered by SalesLitre. This is our login page. Please enter your username and password, then click Login.
This is our inventory page. It can be found by clicking on Inventory. Here is where you'll be able to view all of your active inventory depending on which warehouse you have selected on our filter bar here at the top. If we wish to select all three of our warehouses or individual warehouses, it can be done here. Once you've made any changes, please click on Set Filter. That will update your inventory list. You will see your warehouses located on the left, product description here, along with your SKU number, your quantity in units, quantity in cases, and any product that may be in transit. In transit will mean that that product is on a transfer that has not yet been received in its end destination warehouse. All of this information can be exported onto an Excel spreadsheet by clicking the Export button here.
Thank you for watching the tutorial video on Direct Order powered by SalesLitre. If you require additional support, please visit the link in the description of the video below to take you to our support page.